A remarkable name. Isn't it? Have you ever known about it? Then, at that point, this moment is the second to notify yourself about it. It might appear to be a tale, yet that is the manner by which this exceptional computerized monies process started at first. According to the information, DOGECOIN bears this peculiar yet particularly alluring name, which turned into a mascot of a Japanese variety of dog called Shiba Inu and consequently Doge. After that, this quickly developing cryptographic money turned into a renowned name, DOGECOIN. DOGECOIN is decentralized and totally secure. As per the authentic information and ongoing DOGECOIN cost expectation, Doge represents an available and practical option in contrast to Bitcoin. The exceptional, lively DOGECOIN people group has permitted Doge to accomplish something of a religion following. What is a DOGECOIN? One of the most well-known uses of DOGECOIN is tipping individual web participants who create or share extraordinary substance. It bears more worth essentially because of its easy-to-use framework. No brilliant preparation, no unique mastery required. It is effectively viable with your PC, cell phone, or site. DOGECOIN is like purchasing any merchandise in stores through visas. The main thing where DOGECOIN stands separated is that Doge is utilized with a wallet to purchase labor and products or purchase DOGECOIN with Bitcoin or government-issued types of money. DOGECOIN was intended to be a well-disposed, more congenial type of digital money that could arrive at clients put off by the cool intricacy of Bitcoin. Indeed, even its name is taken from a famous internet image. A decision component of DOGECOIN today is a tipping administration. Clients will tip different clients for posts or commitments they accept merit acknowledgement. It is a more compelling way than just like on any web-based entertainment stage that urges different clients to peruse the survey and be intrigued to purchase DOGECOIN. Ceaseless virtual entertainment publicity by retail financial backers accounts DOGECOIN digital money to continuously dominate, recently sent off canine coins like Shiba Inu. DOGECOIN community. Talk of the town. The standard of any driving coin is the prominence and fan wave that twirls around them. Similar holds at the cost of Doge, as the reception rate for DOGECOIN is very high as per DOGECOIN cost expectation. This computerized money's dynamic and resolute worth winds around an emanation of the whole fan local area that places their confidence in it. It is nothing unexpected that the entire fanbase or local area predicts its cost will before long skyrocket. This is the primary framework of this resource, as the genuine DOGECOIN esteem lies in the certainty the purchasers have and the local area support it gets. Consequently, its DOGECOIN reception rate is expanded. Doge may be among the absolute most huge and dexterous networks in the digital currency world. In addition to the fact that the movement confined to is exchanging, yet this gathering of DOGECOIN people group is likewise noted for its magnanimous commitment. According to the DOGECOIN news update, the money needs to justify significant ventures it will in general finance, and DOGECOIN has prevailed with regards to supporting NASCAR. The Doge people group utilizes its eyes to help great aims all around the crypto space. In 2014, the DOGECOIN people group raised $50,000 to assist with sending the Jamaican bobsled group to the Sochi Winter Olympics. For World Water Day, March 22, 2014, Faithful Shibes raised $30,000 to assist with building clean water wells in the Tana Valley, Kenya. Shibes has even attempted NASCAR, North American Stock Car Auto Racing. In March 2014, Shibes paid $55,000 to support a driver named Josh Wise. Shrew dashed in a DOGECOIN NASCAR-themed vehicle. Jackson Palmer, a maker of DOGECOIN, accepts DOGECOIN's prosperity exhibits the way that far digital money wandered from its unique objectives. I have a ton of confidence in the DOGECOIN Center Advancement Group to keep the product steady and secure, yet I think it says a great deal regarding the condition of the digital currency space overall that a cash with a canine on it, which hasn't delivered a product update in more than 2 years, has a $1 billion plus market cap. DOGECOIN Price Prediction 2022. Elon Musk has kept assisting with helping the cost of Doge. DOGECOIN's cost has seen a slight development throughout the course of recent days. Elon Musk's persistent help with tolerating DOGECOIN as an installment for products and institutional reception has been gainful to the coin. In May 2021, DOGECOIN's cost hit another unsurpassed high of $0.7376. Because of consistent big-name support and furthermore recorded on eToro, proceeding with huge development as far as cost in the impending months is anticipated. Elon Musk's tweet makes sense of that one can purchase Tesla merchandise with DOGECOIN. Likewise, as per the Tesla official site, one can utilize DOGECOIN to buy the Cyberwhistle, Giga Texas belt buckle, and Cyberquad for kids. As per the DOGECOIN news, AMC has begun tolerating installments in image coins like DOGECOIN from March 19, 2022, and Mark Cuban, the proprietor of Dallas Maverick, acknowledges DOGECOINs for tickets and product. The image coin got some decent forward movement via online entertainment after Elon Musk supporting signals. Elon Musk's tweet expressing the acknowledgement of the token as a functioning installment mode for merchandise carried forward movement to DOGECOIN's cost, affecting business sector DOGECOIN cost expectations decidedly. Likewise, when asked what compels him pick Doge over different coins, he answered over Twitter that Doge has canines and images, though the others don't. Moreover, the Ukrainian government has now chosen to acknowledge DOGECOIN gifts in the midst of the Russian attack. As of late, Keith Johnson has blamed Elon Musk for a supposed DOGECOIN fraudulent business model and has sued him for $258 billion on June 16. That's what he says. Musk involved his platform as world's richest man to work and control the DOGECOIN pyramid scheme, revenue-driven, openness, and entertainment. DOGECOIN cost is supposed to recuperate its lost energy and head towards its obstruction level of $0.1212. According to the DOGECOIN cost expectation for 2022, the cost of DOGECOIN could cross 7 cents before the year's over. The anticipated high for 2022 may be around 9 cents, and on the drawback, the low may be around 2 cents. The one-year cost is projected according to our expectation for 2022. DOGECOIN prediction 2023. According to the market opinion and specialists' perspectives, the cost of DOGECOIN could enlist a steady ascent. What's more, by mid-2023, the Doge would have the option to cross the $0.1 mark. The anticipated high for 2023 may be more than $0.2. On the disadvantage, the low may be around 6 cents. DOGECOIN predictions 2024. According to the Doge cost expectation for 2024, the cost could cross $0.4